YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're talking the Galaxy S20 Ultra and comparing it to the Note 10 Plus in a speed test. Now look, the Note 10 Plus was released last year, and the S20 Ultra is the first phone of this generation to come out. So obviously a comparison wouldn't be fair, or is it? A few things before we begin the test. The theme is just dark mode, and we also are using Quad HD resolution. All the applications were also updated too. In this test, I'll be launching applications in quick successions while recording the time. I'll run this test 3 times and take the average score. Also, when the test is done, I'll do multitasking to see if the phone is clearing apps from the memory or if it keeps it in storage. Of course, this isn't a perfect test as there is a human element that could affect the score, and that's why I am taking the average. First up is the Note 10 Plus. This Note 10 Plus is equipped with the Snapdragon 855 and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Running through the test, everything is pretty snappy, loading apps quickly as expected. When I tested this phone earlier this year in August, it picked up right where it left off, ran through everything with no issues, and it was really fast too. We ended up with a speed of 1 minute and 12 seconds. In 3 of my tests, the other 2 speeds were 1 minute and 11 seconds and 1 minute and 12 seconds again. As far as switching between applications, the apps popped right back into place without having to reload the application. Overall, it was very snappy and performance was as good as it was brand new. I kind of expected this, but it was nice to see. Now, a quick word from my sponsor, Dbrand. If you're bored of the 2 colors for the Ultra, of course you can switch it up, or if you're tired of fingerprints, get yourself some unique skins from Dbrand. For less than 20 bucks, you can completely change the way your device looks. You can also grab yourself a grip case as well. As you see here, provides some great grip and a sweet design. Hit the links down below to Dbrand any device that you have. Now let's move over to the S20 Ultra, which is equipped with Snapdragon's newly announced 865 processor and also 12 gigabytes of RAM. There is a 16 gigabyte option for these phones as well, but I did not have one to test. Launching apps, as expected, very fast and fluid. With all the apps that were launched, they closed quickly, and the speed test ended at 1 minute and 5 seconds. With an overall average of 8 seconds faster than all the other tests on the Note 10 Plus. Am I surprised? Actually, I am. I know it's a newer phone and these phones both are still top of the line. But when it came to loading games, that's where the new Snapdragon chip really flexed its muscles, and you can see here, the games just loaded faster. For one more test, I used the Ultra at 120 Hz at 1080p resolution to see if there's a difference. I did the exact same thing and I landed at around the same speed. 120 Hz makes it seem faster and smoother overall, but the speeds were the same. Anyways guys, that was just a quick speed test between Samsung's latest phones, Note 10 Plus and S20 Ultra. As you can see, the S20 is indeed faster than the Note 10 Plus. For a phone that came out last year, the Note 10 Plus is still hanging with the best of the best right now. And that is really impressive to see because with technology, we know 6 months is a very long time. I have tons more of S20 videos coming out really soon. And of course, my final review. So stay tuned for that. Kevin the Tech Ninja here. Thank you for watching. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.